Hi, this is Cameron with Layman's, here to talk to you about ARK seeds. ARK seeds are heirloom quality seed kit, germinated and grown here in USA out of Michigan. This is a wonderful product for anyone ranging from a backyard gardener to a homesteader really looking to get started. They are 100% heirloom organic, USA grown seeds, and the unique thing about these are the way that they're stored. They are airtight. They do have a 15-year shelf life, and they have 85% germination rates. And why do heirloom seeds matter? You're able to save seeds from the harvest and have a future source of plants come back true to their variety, having a sustainable source for your backyard or homestead for years to come. The Backyard Starter Kit comes with over 25 individual labeled package varieties with 10,000 seeds, including a culinary herb kit, and each of the seed and variety was chosen for calories as well as security and preparedness. For your all-in-one kit, it's going to include over 70 different varieties and 55,000 seeds, including a medicinal herb packet within there and a guide for planting and care of your heirloom seeds. Again, 100% heirloom organic USA grown with over a 15-year shelf life. These are non-GMO and available at Laymans.com or anywhere that Layman's products are sold. Let Layman's help you take the next steps in your journey to a simpler life.